Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Asif Rahman and I am 22 years old. I am from Kumilla. Currently, I am studying textile engineering at Daffodil International University. I come from a simple and supportive family. My father Atikur Rahman is a former businessman and my mother Nasima Akhtar is a secondary school teacher. They have always encouraged me to work hard, learn new things, and become a good person. I am very grateful for their support and guidance. Talking about my educational background, I completed my SSC from Burichong Model Academy in 2020. After that, I completed my SSC from Burichong Eshat Degree College in 2022 and achieved GPA 5. This achievement gave me confidence and motivated me to continue my higher education with dedication. One of the most important decision in my life was choosing Daffodil International University. I selected this university because of its modern learning environment, skill for faculty member, advanced laboratories, and strong focus on practical education. The university encourages students to develop both academic knowledge and professional skill. I feel proud to be a part this institution because it helps students prepare for future career and real world challenge. I also chose the textile engineering department because the textile industry is one of the most important industries in Bangladesh and plays a major role in our economy. Textile engineering combines science, technology, creativity, and problem solving. I am interested in learning how fiber are converted into fabric, how garments are produced, and how modern textile technologies improve quality and efficiency. At present, I am building a strong foundation in textile engineering. I am learning the basic concept of fiber, yarn, fabric manufacturing, dyeing, and garments production. I am also interested in the technical side of fabric production and modern textile technology. New inventions such as smart textile, sustainable manufacturing, and advanced production system make this field exciting and full of opportunities. Although I have not yet worked on any major technical project or gained advanced software skill, I am eager to learn and improve myself step by step. I believe that every expert was once a beginner, and continuous learning is the key to success. Beside of my studies, I enjoy drawing picture and reading books. Drawing helps me express my creativity, while reading books increase my knowledge and improve my thinking ability. Looking forward looking toward the future, my goal is to become a skilled textile engineer and contribute to the development of the textile industry. I want to gain practical experience, learn modern technologies, and build a successful professional career. I also hope represent my university and my country with pride throughout my work and achievement. Thank you everyone. That's all it. Have a nice day.